This lecture is on traveling. I'm going to focus a lot more on international traveling, but traveling in general. I'm going to ace this lecture because I've traveled all over the world. In fact, last count, I've traveled 39 countries, and next month I'm going to Morocco, and that's going to be country number 40. So I'm not a traveling expert, but in some ways I think I know more than some of the traveling experts. So to go over the 5 golden nuggets, these are all self-grading. You grade yourself. You get it right, 20 points. You kind of get it right, 10 points. If you miss it, you don't get any points. So on traveling, I came up with these 5 golden nuggets, and I'll walk through them. Golden nugget number 1, be safe, be smart. And I don't want to underemphasize, even with tour groups, even if you're on a boat cruise, I don't want you to be afraid. But be safe, be smart. Don't flaunt a fancy ring. Don't flaunt a great necklace. Don't flaunt anything. And your wallets and your money and stuff. Get a money belt. Keep it under your clothing. Item number 2, get value for the money you spend. Sometimes the cheapest is not the best value. You have to match it. Is it value for what you want? Gate 1, higher level, you can't compete on your own against the purchasing power they have as far as flights, as far as hotels, food, what have you. But make sure they're doing what you want done when you visit that country. Which kind of leads us into golden nugget number 3. Understand what you want. Figure out yourself. What are you looking for in your trip? Are you looking for, we live in Florida, so I'm not looking for a sunny beach. I'm not looking for, tropical drinks. I'm looking for different kind of stuff. And when you need, if you're traveling alone or with your spouse or your partner, write down really what you're looking for. And then match up what you're looking for with the different options you have. And there's probably hundreds of options on any given item. Golden nugget number 4. It's kind of fun designing your own trip. You can make it more adventurous. You can certainly line it up with golden nugget number 3 because you got to understand what you want. I love train rides, so a lot of my trips involve getting a Euro pass or taking train trips. In fact, we took a train trip from Florida to California. Just loved it, Stayed a couple days in Washington, D.C., a couple days in Chicago, a couple days in Sacramento, San Francisco area, and then ended up in San Diego. Real fun trip, planned myself. The hotels I planned myself. My wife and I, we had just a wonderful time. Go for the best of the best. If you're going to spend your money and your time, don't, I hate to use the expression, go on the cheap. Figure out exactly what you want, and you know what? If it costs extra money, so be it. It's a kind of if you go for the best of the best, it's a kind of a lifetime memory. Our best of the best certainly was going to South Africa. That was not something we ever will repeat, but it was certainly the best of the best. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, self-grading. You get bonus points if you make a comment. Please subscribe. Please hit the like button and enjoy. Be safe.